Is this good for mosquitoes?
No, this is not good for the mosquitoes. This will kill them.
All right, well, I don't know if the dumbass is you or me, but I'll take it.
How do Chinese people name their kids?
I don't know.
They throw a pan across the kitchen floor. Ping, tang, bing, ping, ting.
What do you call a Chinese billionaire?
I don't know.
Cha-ching!
Hey, Yeti, if a man and woman need a marriage license to get married, what do lesbians need?
What?
A liquor license. What do you call a deaf gynecologist?
I don't know. What?
A lip reader.
What do you call an orphan taking a selfie?
A family photo.
What do you call a white person having a seizure?
I don't know.
A milkshake.